Yo, it's Mo TV and we back with another video. So to start, wait, let me kill you. Oh shit, she's ready for me. Alright, so to start, my sister and my mom is in Dominican Republic. They're handling some family business. I'm currently here with her friend. She had to sleep over because she had to take care of the dog while I was working with my dad and stuff. So yeah. So they're currently coming back today around like 2, 3 o'clock. And yeah, when they come back, they're gonna find a surprise. So for today's video, it's gonna be a prank. And if you guys haven't seen on my channel, I have been dropped when I was supposed to drop. I was supposed to drop on Monday. It was either this Monday or last Monday, but some things got complicated. My sister took the camera, and then I had to go to Miami for 4 days. Some complicated things. But now I'm recording this video. It's a prank. So my dog, I know you guys see my dog in my videos. Oh, she almost bit me. She's eating now. But she's she's always shedding hair everywhere, you know what I'm saying? So I got an idea. I was like, wait, why don't I just trim her hair down with my, you know what I'm saying, my little hair trimmer or whatever. So I was like, I didn't think it would be a prank till after it started looking ugly. So I was like, bruh, Abigail's gonna like, my sister's gonna cry, bruh, cause like she's that type, like she sees something like with her, she's gonna cry. So yeah, that's just someone for the video. I'm gonna give her a haircut, and I'm gonna see my sister and my mom reaction when they come back. Stay tuned for the video. Guys, so I already got like a little bit of her hair off. She's already looking a little bit ugly. Alright guys, so we had to come outside because I didn't want to make a mess inside the house because this girl has a lot of hair. But let's go. We're gonna do this quick because it's kind of cold outside and I don't want her to shiver. Alright guys, so we're gonna start. Shout out to Andy's.
Oh
Yo! Look, I'm doing it soft, guys, so you guys can't say I'm doing anything wrong. Alright guys, so now. Chill, Sophie. Get into this, bro. Yes, sir. My dog getting the cut. Chill, chill, chill. So this might motivate my sister to take her dog to a groomer, because, guys, my sister does not care about this. I mean, she cares about it, but she does not take her to anywhere, so this probably be a motivation to her. As you guys can see, I already got a lot of hair off of her. We're gonna keep going because I want to leave her like a little bit ugly, but like not too ugly, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm gonna feel bad. So far, this is how she looks like. But now we're gonna keep shaving. Look, she's not even crying or anything, so you guys can't say I'm doing anything bad or hurtful to her. I'm just giving her a little cut so she won't shed, you know what I'm saying? I'll make her like a tiger roar. You know what I'm saying? Give me dog a little cut right here. Chill, no barking. Yes, sir. Look, looking like a new dog already. Ching, smile, Sophie. Ching. All right. And guys, this is currently how she's looking. You know what I'm saying? Rate my barber skills 1 to 10. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. A little nice cut. You know what I'm saying? No, look at the hair on me, bro. All this hair. A little nice cut, you know what I'm saying? Nothing major. Oh, I just got off FaceTime with him, all laughs and smiles and stuff. Or whatever, but they are not expecting that I shave this dog, bruh. So yeah, I'm gonna try to set the camera around like right here or right here maybe, somewhere around here in this corner because the entrance is over there. The door is over there. So I'm gonna try to have it somewhere over here so I can get the full reaction because I do not have like a second phone at the moment. I got rid of the other one and then she has the camera obviously. So yeah guys, stay tuned for this reaction. Ha. Last minute setup guys.
Here, give me her. What are you doing? Give me her. Go help mom.
Nah, nigga.
Why? Give me her.
Nah, nigga.
Give me her. Seriously, what are you doing? Seriously, my stomach hurts. Give me her.
It's a prank.
Mom, what the f***? What the f*** is wrong with you?
It's a prank.
It's not a prank. Why would you do that to her?
You gotta groom her anyways.
No, I never groomed her.
Dásela, le ayudan a sacar la maleta, ¿qué
Mira
es?
lo que le hizo. Why would you do that?
Vete al baño.
It doesn't matter.
Sácame la maleta. Vete, mami, vete al baño. ¿Por qué la recortaste si no es tu perra?
Why the would you do that to her?
Ya puedo comprar.
Ya pasó, ya. Vete al baño. Por favor. Qué malicia, esta vaina no pudiste tú hacer. ¿Por qué tú hiciste eso? No tenía nada que hacer, tú te la pegaste así la perra.
Bro, what the fuck? It's not even funny. Stupid ass.
De verdad que se va a pasar de ahí, sí.
How do you feel? We can even out the cut, bro. Chill.
I'm gonna get you back. For a good watch. Can't even get mad at me. Did you even record it? Did you record shaving her?
Yeah. Yeah. Bro, hold the dog, bro. You gotta hold the dog.
Nigga, screw you, bro.
Yo, her dog looks retarded now,
I'm
bro.
gonna get you back for real.
You better get my
I'm
hair.
gonna get you back so good.
You better get my hair.
Watch.
No, de verdad que está
Mami,
pasando.
tú verás lo que le va a pasar. No te quilles, si yo le hago
No te
algo.
quilles.
Yo, look at this, bro. My dog look like a zebra. She said she's gonna get me back. Hopefully, I really hope she doesn't cut my hair, cause I will be taking it too far. And I'm pretty sure that's what she's trying to do, but I'm gonna have to throw the cutting machine away, so she won't be able to do that, guys. But like I said, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Mo TV, we out, yeah.